Assalamu alaikum students. The subject is art and design, semester 1, BS1. Today we have to study the third element of design, that is pattern. Pattern is a two-dimensional or three-dimensional ornament arranged in a motif. ये जो word motif है, you have to underline it and always remember this. Pattern is always the motif that you have made on the surface of some object. The next line says in these notes that because pattern can be created by textures and form, the entire arrangement of the room creates a pattern. Now, how to use pattern? Most often, a pattern accent is at its best against a neutral background. The important point is neutral background. All the patterns which you make against a neutral background always appears more attractive and suitable. The second point says using the same pattern on many pieces is a good way to achieve harmony. Harmony should always be kept in mind when you are using pattern, because in other way the balance will be absent in that design and design will not appear attractive as well as useful, and we will not be able to follow the phrase form follows function. Then the next point is two patterns of the same color. Emphasis is on same color. Same color may be effectively combined if they are of related styles and design scales. If you are using two or more than two patterns, they can be of the same color, but they should have the related styles and designs. In this way, by using the method of repetition, we can apply and we can make pattern in a design, and design will be able to follow the function for which it is being made. Thank you, students.